Welcome to Charts by Social Explorer. This video will show you how to style your charts. In the vertical and horizontal axis sections, you can tweak the vertical or horizontal axis to include the name of the axis. Click the checkbox next to the axis and enter the name in the title field on the chart. You can choose to turn the axis itself on or off and add the axis line and tick marks as well as grid lines. You can also turn on axis labels by checking the boxes. Enable the legend to help guide your viewer through your chart. In the legend position list, you can select where in the chart area to display it. Customize legend behavior by selecting how your chart responds when you click on a legend point. This way, you can have a series be hidden, grayed out, or highlighted when the user interacts with the legend. So far, we added the data and customized the design of the chart. Now, let's add some context to help readers understand the chart more easily. To emphasize a particular data point, click the Annotation section and select the style that works best for your dataset. You can pin a custom label to a single value to emphasize or explain it. You can use a vertical or horizontal range to highlight more values. In the Additional Content section, you can enable the heading to introduce the topic of the chart. You can style the text and customize the font size, weight, and alignment. If you want to include a citation, you can do so in the footnote. Click the footnote checkbox to enable this feature. Like the heading, you can again stylize the font and even include a direct link to your citation or source. Certain complex chart types might require additional explanations and instructions. Turn on Overlay Text in the Additional Content section. You can add details in there. To really engage your readers, add a Draw and Guess feature. In the Prediction section, select the series you want the reader to guess. They can simply drag the bars to indicate their guesses and click Show me how I did when they're done. Charts will then automatically compare their answers with the real data. Click the bucket icon to open the Themes menu. You will see a few themes we made for you to get started. Try them out to see which one works best for you. The changes are applied in real time, so you can immediately see what your chart looks like after modifying the theme. In addition to using our theme templates, you can also create your own original custom theme. Click the plus sign to open the theme editor. You can change the color palette by using the color picker tool to choose a color or enter the hex code. Charts themes also support text formatting to let you change the fonts. You can also tweak the text and grid line opacity by moving the sliders. These adjustments can help make your chart match your topic theme or your organization's look and feel. You can also adjust the colors without making a completely new theme. Simply edit the color of an individual series in the Series menu. Click the series you want to customize, then click the color circle next to the name, and click Done when you find the right color. Keep in mind that your chart will be viewed on different devices. With charts, you can think ahead and use different chart configurations for different screen resolutions. Click the Devices icon to turn on multiple versions and configure settings for desktop and mobile views separately. If you're not happy with the way your chart looks on your smartphone, select a completely different chart type or try removing the labels and annotations to declutter the chart on smaller screens, without removing them from the desktop version. Use the resizer and see how your chart behaves when you change resolutions. Now you're ready to style your charts.